This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I love being here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to jam together on 3 songs written with tablature notation, as that is the focus of this particular lesson series. Of course, as we're playing these songs, we'll be jamming with the band track that I have created for this lesson. So it's going to be great. You, me, and the band will be jamming on these 3 songs. This video accompanies the Tablature Book from my Method Book series. In that book, we're going to start on page 85. We're going to be on pages 85, 86, and 87, playing songs 116, 117, and 118. It's going to be super great. Each one of these is going to happen at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo, and then a faster tempo. So you can start it at that slower tempo, and then work it at the faster tempo. If it's hard to keep up and actually play the song at the slower tempo, then you want to pause the video, work on the difficult spots, and try playing it again. So it's going to be great. We're going to be in first position, or the open position. Index finger is going to be in that 1st fret, middle in that 2nd, ring in that 3rd fret, pinky in that 4th fret. Right now, our focus is getting used to reading, especially on these lower strings. So it's going to be fun. Let's go ahead and play these. Alright, fantastic. I hope you're having fun with this. Of course, in the next video that comes out that goes with the Tablature Book, we'll be playing some more melodies. So it's going to be fun. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.